What's going on? Mike here, got another video. YouTube, it's been a minute, man. What's up? What's going on? Back with another video. Just had to take a break for a minute. You know, I'm still out here working. I'm always gonna be out here doing my thing, man. This is what it is for me. You know, this is all I know from 18, 19, all my adult life, appliance repair. So, but anyway, man, just wanted to catch up with you guys and see how everybody's doing, how everybody's progressing, how's the business. Hope everybody's good. You guys check in with me on the comments. Yeah, man, another day, another dollar. Shout out Up and Running Appliance Repair. Shout out all my guys, man. You guys know who you are, man. Yeah, today I just wanted to talk about something funny, and you guys can probably drop down in the comments your blooper or I want to say your mess up on appliance repair, your route. So, for instance, there was a time when we were talking about this with my friends who are fellow technicians as well, where like you do like just some dumb stuff sometimes. Like for instance, you'll pull up to the exact address that you need to go to, but like you're on the wrong street. Like something like that. Or there's been times when, you know, I'll pull up to a job, get all my paperwork together, I'm there, I walk up to the house, knock on the door, and people say, oh, come on in, and then you find out that this is not even the right house. They don't even have it's not the right appliance you need to be working on. I'm like, then why did these people even let you in their house? It's crazy situations like that happen. I think that happened to me last week. I pulled up to the job and knocking on the door, and I'm calling the people. I'm like, yeah, we're home. I'm like, hold on, is your address? Oh no, they gave you the wrong address. Thanks. There's been times where like the building will be exact same number, but it's on a different, like it's in the same complex, but it's on the other street. Like it's just weird, you know? Things like that happen all the time, and you just gotta, like, I know my area so well now, so I know a lot of the mishaps where that's happened to me, and I just don't repeat it. Or for instance, where I'm at, there's a lot of gated communities, so a lot of times service vehicles can't go through the main gate. You have to go through like a side gate or something like that, and it's like you'll go there and be like, oh, they told you you gotta go to that gate. I'm like, darn. Like, man, I knew this, I just forgot, you know? So that's how that thing goes. But I'm gonna actually start incorporating some new type of videos on this channel, and I'll be working it out the next week or so to see what I'm gonna do, where I can kind of walk you guys through each job I do throughout the day, and then by the end of the day I'll make a full video on what I did and stuff like that. You know, people still care about appliance repair, you know, that is what it is. You know, I'm always gonna do this, I'm always gonna love it, you know. So, but other than that, man, there's been a lot of just little funny situations that's happened. You know, like I've gotten a lot of things from customers, you know, as far as just food. I'm pretty sure you guys probably get food and stuff, but like some of the best stuff is when you go to like people who have their own not say farm, but say like they raise bees or chickens or something. Like there's nothing like having fresh like eggs or fresh honey. You know, I've gotten avocados, I've gotten star fruit, I've gotten fresh mangoes. But this is Florida. You know, you can go in your backyard and have those type of fruits. But you know, all those type of fruits. I've even had, like, these people had so much mangoes that they made like mango salsa, mango jelly, like a whole bunch of stuff like that. So you know, over the years I've had a lot of different, so not just food, but just, you know, pots and just different things from customers. Man, it's just weird. Like I had this one lady, she has a business baking cakes, and this was like what, for Mother's Day, you know, like for, I don't know when it was, but she had a service call to pay, and I told her the next time that she had a deductible to pay through warranty, and her cakes are expensive. So I'm like, you know what, the next time you call on the job, I'll just take a cake in the form of your deductible. And I think it was like maybe a couple weeks later she did, and I took that cake, man, and it was great. It was lovely. It was so sometimes it's like you know, I build a lot. I build rapport with my customers. I make sure, you know, we're on good terms. They can call me whenever, and you know, that's just is what it is. Like if you go on my Google, I have it's like 4.8 now, but it's still 5 stars because it's like people just leave as 1 star for no reason. I don't know why. Like some people I just don't even know who they were. Hold on. Hey, how you doing? But yeah, guys, so it's definitely gonna be some new stuff coming on up, and you know, sharing some more information with you guys. It's something different, you know, because when it comes to appliance repair, if you're not in it, a lot of people don't really care about it. You got to be in it, doing it, seeing how it is day to day, you know, getting your calls in. That just is what it is. But I'm about to get to a call now. What do I got going on in this call? This call is a refrigerator, Samsung refrigerator, not cooling. But I think I've been here. I fixed their dishwasher, and they had another company come for their fridge, and they never fixed it. So I said, I think I looked at it real quick, put in diagnostic mode. It might have been a fan error or something. I can't remember. It was a minute ago. But I believe that's what it is. But you know, I still post pictures and stuff on Instagram at Mike Check Appliance, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.